So, hello, mic test. Hey, can you hear me, guys? I think you can. Yeah. Okay. So I catch this move earlier because our indicator gave us a signal, but that's why I don't trade. That's why I don't trade New York. I don't do live New York session because it's very fast market and I'm trading below 1 minute time frame, which is 30 seconds, 15 seconds, and 5 seconds, and where that's the time frame where I was able to catch a good move. But yeah, I reached almost 3,000 earlier, but I got stopped many times. And my mistake for doing that is I'm already in the market on a, in a low time frame, but I, I forgot to switch back to 1 minute to analyze the trend market. So, but still, I have like two two good entry, and then two bad entry, uh, which I got stop loss with the minimum minim, I mean I was able to minimize my risk. All right, okay, play with this one. This one. Go. I'll put that. All right. Uh, Now I think 150 is undecision zone. So as you can see, we are on this consolidation zone, and this is a zone of 20,150, where people are not really decided. But in general, our trend is still bearish. But as long as the price will not push or break this one, and then we have a switch on of an indicator like switch of Supertrend, that's the time that I'm confident to say that okay, we're going to buy, or we're going to see some pullback. But my prediction, if we have a pullback, I think it's decent to say maybe we test on this 4,000 20,400, which is a psychological level, and maybe uh, that is a good area to pull back because we started there. New York opening start on this price, so we start from here. So maybe yes, maybe we will see some today or tomorrow or tonight. We will see the price will grab some liquidity here, and then after that will cause some continuation down. But of course, I'm just predicting, or maybe we will see because right now we are deep. This is a new low for the past weeks. So maybe some of the buyers will, will take some, will invest more on this level of 20,000. But the reason why we're dropping down right now is because the Bitcoin is on the roof or trying to go up. Okay, let's see if we can trade this one to continuation to 20,000. It's already 10. It's almost 10:30. So 10 o'clock. Usually I see some reversal going up or pullback, but now this is silver bullet, and people maybe will sell. Let's go to 15 seconds and hunt for. Let's hunt for. So we have a fair value gap. This fair value gap here. We'll see if the price, if we will pull back on this area, maybe we'll sell. So since I'm using micro, I'm going back to 1 minute, and we will only use 1 minute time frame for now uh, to minimize our risk. And I'm using micro. 1,400 is okay for this one. So I have this leader account, 50K Express, and then another follow accounts. And see, we'll have a formation. So it's safe to trade. It's safe if you use 1 minute time frame rather than 15 seconds. 15 seconds is so fast, and you will get stopped so fast. So if you are not yet, uh, like if you are not yet really you don't familiarize like the candlestick pattern, or uh, the price action. If you're not, I cannot say that I'm expert on using those, but uh, if the candles is like this and not that it's big enough but not that big enough, like one move, one manipulation move that will take you 100 points, something like that. I will go down to 15 seconds, because if you go to 15 seconds and 5 seconds, if you go to 5 seconds, you will see a very good trending market. You see, with some fair value gaps like this. This is 5 seconds. It looks like Asia, right? It looks like Asia candles. It's fast, but it's kind of market. The market structure is kind of predictable for me. That's why I went down to 5 seconds. But now I'm go back to one minute. Oh my God, I missed that one. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's see. It's going. Missed that. Missed this move. We'll see. Uh, we'll see a retest. Oh my God. Retest to this one here. Let's go to 1 minute. We'll continue 1 minute. Let's see if we can sell. Okay. Let's see about that. We'll put our stop loss here and we'll take 20,100 as a take profit. Okay. This I cannot like this. Yeah, I'll put it there. Okay. I'm okay. I'm left. I'm left behind. We'll do market. One more pump. One more pump. I'll get that. And I'll put a stop loss here. Too far, and then let's go. Well, let's try it. I don't know. I'm not sure if we will get this, but I'm pretty sure we will get this one. So 140. Let's see. 1:2. 1:2 is decent, I think. But I'm really uh, we are on the deep, and I'm not really sure. But we'll get 1:2. We'll try 1:2, or we will get stuck. You see, if I wait, it's a dangerous trade actually. Let's be safe. The reason why I'm not confident of this trade, because we are already on the deep side, and people are not really, yeah, people hoping for a reversal to buy, to go back there. So that's why we'll see the price stop here, and we're starting to consolidate a little. So if I on this level, like, that's why I switched to micro, because I don't want to trade seriously this time. But because we are already on this level, and it's already, for me, I'm afraid to trade, but it's possible also to grab, maybe push 20,000. But on my, like, if you want to make sure that you will have a piece of this market as of this moment, it's not bad to aim for 1:2. 1:2 is always, the golden rules, so it's not bad. But another thing is, I'm also afraid of 20,100. But the but by this time, I should not be. If I were you, I should not be entering the market unless we will see some good move. Um, I want to see a candlestick reversal pattern that will tell me that, okay, we need to go. But I don't know. We don't have enough liquidity by this time to push the market up, and people really want to short this market for now. And the reason that I can see is we have a news that drive the market down today, and then last 2 days ago, when the drop, when the sell out, you see, when the sell out, that's what I'm telling you. I'm not confident. When the sell out happens, it's because of the Bitcoin pumping again, pumping up again. Uh, yeah. So we did not able to reach the 150 that I'm hoping to, and 110 that I'm hoping that the market will go. So we are still on consolidation zone. This is a new zone. It's a new consolidation, and this is still our range. So it's getting wider. It's getting wider. Now, if you want to manage your risk carefully during New York New York session, use uh, you need to use a micro. Using a micro is not bad, not a bad idea. Okay. Now I want to see the price. I want to see the market. I want to see this indicator, this blue line cross the green, and I want to see a break of this previous high, higher low, and then I will enter the market to target 20,400. That's what I'm hoping. So I have a time. My Asia, I my sorry, my Asia, my New York session will end at 11. So this is how I trade. I trade from 9:30. 9:30 a.m. is my manipulation entry. I'm hoping for manipulation 9:30 to 10 o'clock. I'm hoping for a dump and pump and dump by this time, caused by a manipulation or caused by news. So maybe I'm like a news trader, but it's not. I don't know how I describe it, but somehow I managed to catch on time, or not on time, but a little bit late at least, and able to get some from a manipulation move like this, a dump like this. So this is caused by a manipulation. Uh, yeah, this one is manipulation. We consolidate and then distribution. Now we're consolidating, and we'll see some. I think this move here is manipulation, and this move here is a distribution on this consolidation range uh, on a 1 minute time frame. But this move here from here, this move here is an institutional move. We have a consolidation for a brief period of time. Maybe the retails try to buy the market because they're thinking it's too deep, but they got lost again. Someone triggered the market to go down, and then retails rides on that. So this is a mix of retail traders and smart money. And then now this one from this area, I don't see any smart money or a manipulation move here, except for maybe a big hedge funds trying to still sell out to cause a stimulation to go down further. But I think if you're thinking the same and same as me, so we are regular people. We don't think that much. We are not expert on the market. When you reach 20,150, you're thinking of buy. That's a basic instinct. I know most of you here. I know that you are thinking the same. You're hoping for a reversal, and you're hoping to buy. So the same people cause these green candles. They are those like us that thinking, okay, we are on deep, and then let's enter the market, let's buy on this level, this is deep enough. So they are those and they are retail traders, like retail. So us, because we're trading on the simulation environment, which that really doesn't matter how many lot we're putting, because we're just trading on the demo, like a demo environment. And we have a chance to be we're part of it, but it's not like we're contributing to the market. We're just riding the market, and our trade doesn't really affect the market because this is just a simulation environment, which is good. And that's the reason why I don't want to do live. And even though you will do live, a trade like what we're doing will not really affect market unless you have like millions or thousands, millions of trading account that you were using as a live. And whenever you enter big position, always will affect the market. So we are just doing a playground, but at the same time we're getting something from the funded account. So that's the beauty of funded account, and that's why I'm doing a funded account most of the time than the live account. But it's not bad to have a live account if you think about it. Like how many money you already deposited on Top Step? Maybe you reached 1,000, you reached 2,000. If you put that on a live account, it's not bad to trade like 20 to gain $50 per trade or $20 per day, and that money is yours. You don't need an evaluation. But I advise you to, before doing live, the you know furnish your strategy, practice your emotion, and go there. And I think if you are on the live account, you will be more disciplined than if you were on the funded account. And So if I'm on the live account, I'm afraid to trade more than like I'm afraid to put the stop loss more than 150 or 250. So okay, now I'm seeing what I'm seeing right now. Uh, I'll consider this a displacement, a small displacement. I have this fair value gap. Let's see, we already tested this fair value gap a couple of times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 we are testing it again. Uh, but I don't have a good displacement, like a real displacement, but I consider this a displacement on this market shift here. And yep, so I'll see. Let's trade this one, and we're hoping for whatever we hope for. So okay, 267. It's. Do you see how micro we are in micro, we're trading micro, but with the stop loss 263 is already high, and this is because the volume is high, the the volatility is high. So we'll see. uh, Switch on his. So this is not a guaranteed trade, and it's a risky trade. So that to minimize your risk, like you don't want to hit 263. Once the blue line crossed the red line, and if you are not sure or confident of the trade that will go up, you exit the market. Just exit the market. Once the blue line crossed the red line, uh, because this is an early sign that either we are doing consolidation or we're going back or we'll have a continuation. So that's how I use this indicator, the red and blue. The blue is one of my most important. So once the blue line crossed the green line, will tell me, okay, it crossed above the green line. Okay, so meaning I'm about I have a criteria now to enter the market for long. But unless but but I need a confirmation for the bias. So once the super trend was switched to bull, and that's the time, okay, I have a bias. So that alone is not enough unless you have you accompanied it with the market price action or market structure formation. The market structure formation will uh, you need another confirmation that we have number one, this displacement here that cause market structure shift, which is this one is market. I consider this a market structure shift, although my real market structure shift will be the break of this level here, but this is past already, so I'll consider this one. But a break on here, it's a strong indication that we're going bull. So right now, we're really not, and I'm afraid that maybe we are just consolidating to this level here. On this side to this one. So I'm afraid that maybe we'll do like this, and maybe we're done. We don't have a good move right now on this silver bullet, and after the silver bullet during the macro, maybe that's the move that we are waiting for continuation or for the buy side. I will put here just in case. This level, this is the 150. So you see, we are on the zone of the 150, and as you can see, the 150 is just almost on the middle of the consolidation zone. So that's how I what you call that, analyze the consolidation. Consolidation should involve a key point level, like for example, we have 20,000, 150, which is psychological level for me because it's an even number. It's not an odd number. So yeah, this is now invalid. So I think we're we retest the extreme fair value gap. Maybe this is the real fair value gap to the bullish side. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you're right. So emotion is the hardest. Even me, uh, even when I'm using this strategy, I still become very emotional. I like emotional. because of the strategy that I used before, uh, and then I'm still using some of those. The market structure and price action that I'm using is uh, still like the methodology of my previous strategy. It's because the market structure there is really on point, and I think that's and it's a smart money. So right now you see we cross. We're supposed to exit the entry right now, but I will keep this trade. I'll keep this trade. 323, it's okay. I'll keep this trade, and we'll see. We've been consolidating since 9:57, and we are in this zone. So this is unlikely for me during the silver bullet, because most of the time a move like this will happen this time, silver bullet. And before, I don't trade before 10 a.m. And I don't do that in a forex. I only trade forex at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. if I'm scalping. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's because that is a silver bullet. Now we dissolve this fair value gap. Mm, I hope this one is an inversion fair value gap. I'm really hoping so. I'll put this as an inversion fair value gap. And if we uh, so we are really on this zone. Uh, you see, we just have a resistance there, and I hope we will also have a resistance here. I'm hoping that this is an inversion fair value gap. So I prefer, it depends on the volatility. If I am trading Asia, I'll go NQ because it's slow volatile and low volume, and I'm not risking more. But if I am on the Asia, this stop loss on MQ is it's high. On if you were on Asia with the two micro, maybe you maybe 50. So this is big, big enough, big for me, big already. So I do micro during New York and mini during Asia. The only reason why I use mini here on this move because I'm confident of the trade and I'm confident of the sell out because of the news. So that's said okay, I'll take this. Uh, I'll take mini and get some from this market. That's the only reason that I'm doing. So right now I'm doing micro because we're on 1 minute. But if I scale, if I'm doing one, if I if I if I do, I mean if I go down to 5 seconds, this is easy to trade for me. This is an easy move for me. But if I'm on my 5 seconds, I'll be using mini if I'm scalping this. But I'm done scalping. Look at that, it's beautiful. You see, this is a beautiful move. We'll retest that. Just retest 1, 2, and then rejected. Continuing up. So you can also, and very good. So you can also trade 5 seconds if you want to, but I want you to practice it first before doing it. Practice a strategy, the market structure and price action, and a range like this on a 5 seconds. It's a good, it's a good money. And but before you do that, make sure that no one is interfering the market. Like no economic data, no news. And here we only see retail traders trying to fight each. They are. This is I told you earlier. This is a battleground. Yeah, it's a battleground for the trader to buy and sell on this zone. Want banana? Come on. Yeah, I'm taking care of my kids. Here, baby, go. Oh, good job. Oh no, what did you do? What do you mean? Come here. You see, it's a good. Uh, so you can practice 5 seconds on a trading view on a replay trade. If you want to. Uh, yes, boy. All right. It's 11. What is time now? So maybe seller is still strong. We're still strong. Let's see the 15 seconds. 15 seconds. So this one didn't serve as a inversion fair value gap, but we're having a 15 seconds also is good, good scalping. I like you can scalp also in 15 seconds. But, it's just the market stop for me right now. Uh, I'll close this. I'm not sure of this trade because I just want like 1,000 profit. It's nice to see 1,000, more than 1,000 profit on a one session than less than 1,000, right? Like good good to see on the eyes. Yeah, I'm really hoping that I can continue doing live, but starting November, most likely I'll not be doing live most of the time, but I'll be posting some videos and maybe I'll do Discord. To those of you already subscribed and watching my videos, I will I'll invite you. I'll just track you down. I will track you back. I mean, in the comment, and I'll invite you on my Discord. Um, I am developing a course which involve a course for beginners, and then it will be a kind of review for if you are not beginners. So mainly, yeah. So I want before you can master this strategy, you need to have a good understanding of the candlestick pattern, basics of the trading, most importantly, price action and market structure. And if you do have that, if you have that, you will be good at using a strategy like this. Not only this strategy, you can actually you can make your own moving averages strategy. Depends on uh, how you it depends on how what kind of trader you are. If you are like a 5 minutes time frame trader or a scalp like me, like 1 minute down to 15 seconds on a future. It depends on you. So you will discover yours, but moving average, there's some delays on moving averages, like it's lagging. That's why, in order for you to predict, like you have a precision on predicting market to where if you're buying or if you're selling, in order for you to uh, like a high percentage of doing that, because that's all about trading. Like we're predicting where the market will go based on our analysis and based on the fundamentals and based on the indicators or based on the news. We're predicting if the market will go up or go down, and if we have that prediction based on the what we based on our analysis, and you go into the market, and in order for you to have a good chance of uh, picking the right bias, you should have good analysis, right? So you need a basic like price action basic, and the moving average is somehow will just add confluence to that analysis. So uh, on this strategy that I'm using, it's kind of signal for me. It's kind of signal to tell me enter the market. So it's a signal and also a signal for me to exit the market. That's the importance of the indicator that I'm using on this strategy. But the most important part of this strategy is the price action, the way how you read the market, and that's it. So this strategy, the best part of this is will help you where to enter the market, how to enter the market, where to exit the market, and how to exit the market. And you can use this also in a 5 minutes time frame if you want to. I back tested 5 minutes time frame, and always as always 5 minutes fair value gap is a strong fair value gap. uh, yeah, so it's almost 11. I'll go back to 1 minute. We are still on the consolidation zone, I'm afraid so, on a 1 minute time frame. We're still, and so it's already 10:40. We stop here. Yeah, we just stop here. Okay. Okay. Uh, I will stay until 11. I will see how this market will go. Today, what day is today? And I think the reason for that is because we are Thursday. This is my favorite. Actually, this is my favorite time. This is my favorite days to trade. I thought we were Wednesday. Oh no, this is Thursday. One more banana. Finish your banana, boy. Come on. Mhm. Yeah. So we cannot do anything right now. So I already entered this market twice, and that's it. Uh, when I am trading, if I am on a consolidation zone, I'm hoping for a move. I'm thinking of the move, although it's not a real move because we did not break this one, and we are not really breaking this area here. But if we break this area above and I enter the market, and then the price will go back again to the zone, and then after that I'll see a break again here, and then I enter the market based on the indicator and go back there, and then that's it. I'm done trading. So that's an example of what I do. So right now I entered already the market twice, which I'm done. uh, Whatever I see, because two failed trade for me is done. And I cannot trade more than I won't be doing another trade again, because that is an over trading already. And nothing wrong with the 1,000 profit. Yes, boy. Sorry, guys. So I'll stick around. Let's observe this market until 11 or maybe 12. Okay, be right back, guys. I'll communicate through chat.